My name is Helen Tran, and I am a polymer scientist. A polymer scientist brings together chemistry and engineering. So I make new types of materials and then figure out how I can use them for different types of applications. Right now, I'm working on making stretchable electronics. The current electronics that we have today, they're all quite hard. So think about your phone or your laptop or your TV. But in the future, I think all these types of electronics are going to become much softer. And so when they're soft and thin, they can go on our body and help us monitor our health. I think that they can go on different types of structures to determine if a building is safe. And I think they can go on different agricultural crops, and that will help us understand when to water the plants and what sort of nutrients we need to give them. In my work, every day is different, and that's what makes it really exciting. So one day, I can spend all day on a computer making new designs and graphics. On another day, I can be traveling to the other side of the world to give a talk. And then some days I'm working with younger students, especially undergraduates, to have them sort of realize why they like science. So I'm mentoring a lot of my time too. My job feels rewarding because I can directly work on problems that I think are important to the world. And so for me, one of the biggest problems in the world right now is sustainability. And so I get to work on making electronics biodegradable. Most of the electronics that we use today, when we're done using it, it just goes in the trash. But if we can think about how to make these electronics degradable or recyclable, we can take that trash and make new types of electronics. I think a big challenge in my job is that when you enter a room, people already have preconceived ideas of who you are. So I'm very small and I'm also a woman. And so sometimes when I'm about to give a talk, as I walk on stage, there's a different feel to the room. The first time it was very scary, but now I really believe in myself. And after I give a presentation, I realize the crowd has changed. And so everyone's opinion of me has changed. And I think it's important to show them that someone like me can be a chemist. If we support everyone to pursue an education in STEM, then we'll have more brain power to solve the grand scientific challenges in our society.